go. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Aaron from allothertvs.com, and what I have here is actually not a regular Sonos One speaker. It's a special one. This thing is weatherproof. A company called H2O Block actually makes these speakers pretty much waterproof. And they still work and sound the same as a regular Sonos, but they're just waterproof. And that's how it looks when you open the box. You know, I got your let's get started guide here, which we'll get into when we set this up. Take the top off here, and then see here comes a little information about H2O Block and the product, and if you need to contact them, you can contact them. And just got the speaker here in this nice little cloth cover, which I always like. And you'll see, or it looks like a regular Sonos, but the inside components are actually made weatherproof. And H2O Block uses the same technology, same process as something like, you know, NASA or the U.S. military would use on like their circuit boards, their electronics. And what they do also, H2O Block actually seals in the Ethernet port. But if you need that connection for some reason, just let us know. We'll get that added for you. And yeah, next we're gonna set this thing up. Okay, so we're gonna set this thing up now in the backyard here. Got the speaker, power cord, and that's pretty much all you need. That and your phone, the Sonos app to set it up, which I'll show you in a second. And on these Sonos speakers, it just plugs in on the bottom here. Make sure it snaps in and it's all flush. And you're ready to plug it in. And I think when I plug it in, check it. Okay, we're hot. We're going to go right here, system, add products, and it's searching for the Sonos One, which is, I gotta check the serial number real quick, because we have multiple Sonoses here, so that's why I make sure this is the right one. Yeah, 542A. Okay, so once you confirm that this is the speaker you want to add, just hit add and follow the instructions. Oh, looks like I need to update the Sonos app here, so we're gonna do that real quick. Okay, so we got the Sonos app updated. Going back to right here, we're gonna add your Sonos One. Click on that. Add Sonos. Now it says getting your Sonos One ready. Pretty easy, guys. See how I did that? You just use the app, plug it in. Let's see, next you're going to play a chime. Okay, continue. Just gonna play a chime. Okay. Now it's connecting the Sonos One to the network, Wi-Fi network. And we are out here in the backyard, and still seems like it's reaching. Okay, and then whatever you want to call this, let's go new location. Custom name is going to be backyard. We'll call this one backyard. Okay. Continue. Okay. Okay, there's the update available for the Sonos One, so let's update that. So it's updating here. You can see it's going to take a while, guys. So we'll come back when it's done updating. Okay, so Sonos One finished updating, hit done, and yeah, looks like we were good here. Let's go to, yeah, we can go to backyard, and so control it. Okay, so yeah, next we're gonna spray us with some water. There we go. Pretty crazy, this thing's still working. Let's crank it up a little bit. So yeah, this is our weatherproof Sonos One by H2O Block. If you have any questions about these speakers, they're on our website, allothertvs.com. My name's Aaron. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.